So what up, ladies and gentlemen? It's J the King. All of you already know what I'm talking about. You know, it's really going on too long time. But this time around, we want to speak for reality. You know? Yeah, let's be honest, ladies and gentlemen. I got this some certain special arrangements to let you know something. God bless all of you. I'm still King Jeff AGUGBAOLA Chuku, His Royal Highness NDI 1 in United Arab Emirates. Listen, let me tell you something. It's quite unfortunate in life that everybody have a desire, and so many people have something you wish that is going on or is going to happen. But one thing I don't understand is this: God bless African, God bless American, God bless Israel, and God bless United Arab Emirates, and God bless all my viewers all over the world, and all the beautiful people that always share my video, share my messages. Tell someone to tell someone that I say impossible is impossible. Nigeria, you are walking towards the step of 2019 election. Buhari, why are you concentrating in threatening people? Nigeria is a place that you just trying to succeed and survive for the leadership. You don't own the mind and decision of people. This is not do or die affair. You must not hold people that if they do not do what you say, you will kill them. It's impossible. Are you normal? Are you okay? God bless Israel. You turn yourself to Pharaoh that they are begging to let children of Israelites go. I don't understand this. How would you say that you are giving order 24 hours to Nnamdi Kanu to come back? Who the hell are you? Who born you? Who raised you? Who breastfeed you? Are you normal? Are you okay? You should be asking how you're going to try to contest before. Do you know if you will die tomorrow? Do you know before November or December you will lose your life? Who the hell are you to give such orders? I'm King Jeff AGUGBAOLA. I'm reality master, and I'm so happy that people knows I'm only man that stand to say the truth. All these useless people, useless Abia State governor, the useless people that collide to try to terminate the life of innocent reality Nnamdi Kanu. You didn't succeed. Why are you still passing a threat? You want people to vote for you, right? You are fighting for the campaign 2019. You want people to vote for you. Is that how you're going to be threatening the life of people? Talking to them like you own everybody's speech. You own the right of people. People cannot talk because you are useless president. What the hell is wrong with you? Who raised you? Who breastfeed you? Who the hell you think you are? What the hell is this? If they did not bring Nnamdi back to Nigeria, you will do this. You know they fear Israelites. Your head no day normal, eh? Israel, please, I'm pleading on the behalf of the whole Christian in Nigeria and the behalf of the whole some good Muslim in Nigeria, please, I'm pleading you people, Israelite, please forgive Nigeria, forgive Buhari. You know, sometimes he got drunk in his sleep. When he's sleeping, he's drinking. He's smoking goof. When he woke up, he began to speak anyhow, talk rubbishly. Please forgive him, please. I'm begging on the behalf of Nigerians, please forgive Buhari, please. Israelites, almighty Israelite Buhari, you open your mouth, say that they will see. They will see what? You that cannot hear, you cannot see. Which eye? How? I don't really know what to say. I got my passport. All of y'all know I'm going to Israel. God bless Nigeria. God bless Israel. God bless UAE. God bless American. King Jeff, share this video, please.